Garlic is a culinary powerhouse and a true global citizen in the world of cooking. Despite being a lightweight ingredient, the average American consumes about 2 pounds of it each year. Garlic's influence stretches far beyond the kitchen, reaching into realms of health, history, and even folklore. Firstly, let's clarify a common misconception. Garlic is not a spice, but a vegetable. It belongs to the Allium family, sharing roots with onions, shallots, leeks, and chives. Every part of the garlic plant is edible, from scapes to leaves, but the bulb is the most widely used component. Globally, China stands as the dominant producer, providing a staggering 80% of the world's garlic supply. This connection makes sense, considering garlic has ancient roots in Asia, dating back thousands of years. Today, the US imports a significant portion, but also grows its own, primarily in California. Historically, garlic was more than just food to the Romans. They believed it endowed soldiers with courage, strength, and speed, and was often consumed before battles. Garlic was revered enough to earn a sacred status, dedicated to Mars, the Roman god of war. Garlic's mythical properties are equally fascinating. In medieval Europe, it was a well-known bulwark against vampires and witches, undoubtedly due to its pungent aroma. Some suggest a connection to porphyria, a rare blood condition exacerbated by garlic, as the root of this myth. Beyond myths and medicinal uses, modern science recognizes garlic's health benefits. The compound allicin, responsible for garlic's characteristic smell, is a potent antimicrobial, capable of combating viruses like influenza. It's a nutritional powerhouse, rich in antioxidants, and shows potential in supporting cardiovascular health by managing blood pressure. In a cosmic twist, garlic has even been cultivated in Martian-like soil. Dutch researchers exploring space agriculture have successfully grown it, along with other crops, in simulated Martian and lunar soils. Garlic's durability and nutritional value make it an ideal candidate for future space missions. In conclusion, garlic is more than an ingredient. It's a versatile ally in health, history, and even potential interplanetary travel. Its journey from ancient tables to modern experiments in space underscores its timeless, indispensable role in human life. So next time you enjoy garlic in a dish, remember the complexities and wonders that lie within every clove.